everyone! Today we're gonna draw some pancakes. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the top of my pancake. So I'm gonna draw a big kind of half circle, just like this. I'm gonna leave a little bit of space because our pancakes have to come with syrup. So we're gonna have some of the syrup dripping down, and we'll go ahead and add that in when we're ready for it. But for our pancakes, let's go ahead and make a stack of them. And I'm feeling really hungry today, so I'm gonna make 4 pancakes. So this is one pancake, and then we're gonna draw one right underneath it. We're gonna do one more. And then we're gonna draw another one right underneath it. These look really delicious already, don't they? The next thing we're gonna draw is our pancake eyes. So I'm gonna start maybe a little bit higher than halfway for the top of one of my eyeballs. So I'm gonna draw some big round eyes, just like this. And then another big round eye. And then let's do, for this one, just a cute, sly little pancake smile. Just like that. That's very cute. Okay, we're gonna make some cute little googly eyes, and so we're gonna draw one circle at the top, both of our eyes, and then let's go ahead and just do some tiny circles on the opposite end. Next, let's go ahead and add our syrup. So like I mentioned before, we left a little bit of space here because we're gonna make our syrup drip a little bit. So we're just gonna add some shape here and just pretend that this is just some sweet little syrup dripping down. There we go. And then we're gonna add it to the very top of our pancake too. There it is. And I don't know about you guys, but I really love some butter with my pancakes. And so I'm gonna add just a little square of butter here at the top. Perfect. Now let's start coloring. What I'm gonna do for my pancake is I'm gonna use my brown. I'm just gonna draw on the very outside of my pancake, almost like it's an outline. And really what it is it's my pancake that's cooked a little bit more on the outside so that it's nice and crisp. We're gonna go ahead and speed up the video, so if you need to pause, please do so. Perfect. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take kind of this like orangish kind of tan color, and then I'm just gonna color in the rest of my pancakes. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna color in my syrup with the same brown color. take my yellow marker and I'm going to color in my butter. Lastly, I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to color in my eyes and clean up my lines a little bit more. And there you have it, a sweet little stack of pancakes. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.